The world of unmanned systems is evolving rapidly. All emerging new technologies bring with them a wave of information and ideas to absorb and digest. They also create opportunities to be exploited by those who are primed and ready. Those who are prepared will catch the wave as it passes. Membership of online information portals and networking sites is essential for anyone with a stake in any industry, and the drone industry is no exception. DRONEMAJOR Group is the world's first global commercial organization dedicated to connecting, supporting, and trading with all stakeholders in the global drone industry at every level and across every environment: surface, underwater, air, and space. DRONEMAJOR Group is uniquely structured to provide the focal point and center of excellence for all stakeholders in the global drone industry, including buyers, investors, operators, manufacturers, service providers, standards bodies, regulators, and governments. DRONEMAJOR Group ecosystem comprises DRONEMAJOR, the world's first company to provide specialist services to buyers of drones and drone-related equipment, including advice and strategic consultancy to enable buyers to navigate the widening applications for drone technology, advising on what is possible, where to buy it, how to implement it safely and effectively, and how to establish through-life maintenance systems. Our world-class service has generated a wealth of opportunities for our suppliers by assisting buyers all over the world to take advantage of the enormous benefits of integrating drone technologies into their business or organization. SUAS Global, the world's largest online drone network, providing unique connectivity for the drone industry and a key part of the DRONEMAJOR Group. The network acts as the only business accelerator for the drone industry worldwide, providing vital support and added value to startups and young drone businesses across all environments: surface, underwater, air, and space. The emerging industry is largely made up of new and developing businesses that need as much support as possible to grow and succeed. SUAS Global provides access to valuable information, experts, finance facilities, and special interest groups that enable a community approach to business development and problem solving, as well as a wide range of privileges and benefits for businesses in their early stages. The voice of SUAS, an open network of industry professionals which acts as the barometer for the drone industry by accessing the opinion and knowledge of the entire global drone market. The Voice uses the extensive SUAS Global Network infrastructure. It is completely free to join and enables all stakeholders to have their voice heard through surveys, polls, discussions, and the ability to write white papers for independent peer review and possible publication. The Voice encourages thought leadership by making its output available to standards makers such as the British Standards Institution and other national and international standards bodies worldwide, as well as regulators and think tanks around the world. If you want to catch the wave that heralds the dawn of the drone age, then register as a member of the DRONEMAJOR Group. Sign up using the link below and start networking with industry professionals and stakeholders.